This TEDx talk is amazing. I don't know why I'm a part of this thing because I saw the people on that list of people that are being invited. I'm probably the least guy should be here because not only am I not a fit guy to be in a DIT university sort of a setup, I am a third division graduate from Delhi University. वो भी evening college था मेरा. So I'm pretty much the guy that you will not give your college form out to कि हमारे पास आ जाओ आप. So when I saw the people that are there on that list, I felt honored and humbled because I don't fit in that screen. There are IPS officers, there are army people, I mean, there are actors, and I'm a stand-up comedian. So I think the bar is pretty much for me to be touching that bar which you have set very high. The topic that you guys have chosen is what comes next or what comes tomorrow. Perfect topic for something like today. About 8 months ago, each one of us had plans. I think till about February or January, everybody had plans. And then COVID happened. And everything went downhill, right? Everybody. One virus it took in the world. One virus that you can't even see to bring the world down back to its knees. One virus it took for us to be close to our family by force. One virus it took for us to get in touch with our grandparents and parents and make video calls. One virus it took for us to realize that we don't have to go to a mall or to a theater or to shop every day. One virus it took for us to go out and realize that home cooked food is great. How many people have started cooking? Just raise your hand. How many people have started cooking at home? Yeah, we have. Yeah, true. How many people prefer home cooked food now? Like, not women, I'm just saying. Like, women have been just cut out a bad deal. Being a woman is so tough in this life because they're expected to do things that are superhuman. You know? I mean, my theme is that I don't know what comes next. I honestly don't. And I don't think so each one of you knows. We hope and pray that we'll figure out what is it. You know, the certain part is that we hope each student that is here will make a great career and, you know, just bring accolades to their family और बहुत पैसा और बहुत शोहरत और बहुत बड़ा घर, बड़ी गाड़ी. We'll get all of that. And some of you will get it. But some of you won't. That's a fact. And I don't know what will happen tomorrow. I honestly don't. I just know the journey. You know, that's the plan. That's what I can figure out. And that's we figure out our tomorrows like we would want to figure out today. Now, how many of you, let me ask this question, can give me a guarantee you'll get up tomorrow morning alive? Anybody? Zero. Zero. Subah ka pata nahi hai, you know. And it's a very old share that I still love. It's like badi nadan si cheez hai ye insaan. Kal subah ka pata nahi ho, vaade barson ke karta hai. It's a brilliant saying, right? It's a brilliant saying. How many of you have had that conversation when you have been told कि ये वाली पढ़ाई करो उससे नौकरी अच्छी मिलती है? All of us. ये ट्यूशन सेंटर पे जाओ तो इस एग्जाम के रिजल्ट अच्छे आते हैं. ये कोर्स करेंगे तो आगे अच्छा होगा या नहीं होगा? 90% of our careers are picked up because कि आगे कितना अच्छा होने वाला है. That is how our careers are picked up. I don't know. I honestly don't. How many people have been fired from a job? Not people who have a job right now. But how many have been fired from a job? I've been fired from a job, like, or lost a job. Some of us have. Did you realize you're going to lose a job? No, you don't. You just did not. You just couldn't figure out it was going to happen. I did third division college because मैं नौकरी कर रहा था साथ-साथ. लेकिन मेरे पे बहाने बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. मैं नौकरी कर रहा था, मैं PVR में टॉर्चमैन था, मैं पिज़्ज़ा हट में वेटर था, तो मेरे पास टाइम नहीं था. And then you hear stories that some rag picker's son has become an IS officer. सुना है ना सबने? We all have heard of that story. Then you feel miserable about your life कि यार मेरे पास कम से कम इतना convenience, इतना comfort, इतना convenience था कि मेरे पास घर था, घर पे छत थी, लाइट थी पढ़ने के लिए. Every time, I don't know about you, but my mother used to just tell me, हम ना एक पोल के नीचे बैठ के पढ़ते थे. That story has been told to me at different times. मैं कि फिर आपके पापा गरीब थे. That was my rebuttal, right? And that I used to use as a joke about it. But what I did not realize, she's 72. 72 years ago, things would have been very different. I stay in a place now, I have a roof over my head, I have food in my belly, and I have a comfortable bed to sit on and sleep on. I don't have anything to be not thankful for. I have everything to be thankful for. We have had conversations, and let me, how many married people here? Just raise your hand, how many married people? Is there anybody married for more than 5 years? Okay, more than 10 years? More than 20 years? 30? 35? Great. How many, is there anybody married for less than 1 year? Less than 1 year, anybody? No, maybe. Because they're students and probably teachers who have been married for a while. Now, how many of you had, let me ask you this. So, sir, since you're sitting in front, I have to speak to you. I'm so sorry. You've been married for how long? Now, since you had your hand, please sit down. You are a very academic. 37 years. Give a round of applause for 37 years, man. 37 years. And you're still married to that woman, right? 37 years. Okay, awesome. No, I'm just checking because I have a bad history with it. What is that your wife cooks that you love? I like how you've been trained for 37 years to answer every time somebody asks you a question. I love this.
I do not go to have a meal outside.
You don't go to have a meal outside, so everything she cooks is phenomenal, right? And that's a brilliant thing. Now, most of you are not married. Let me ask the cameraman here. Since I can see you. What's your name? Saurabh. How old are you? 20, 21? 22. That's just embarrassing that you're 22. Because I was there like 21 years ago. What is that your mother cooks that is amazing, that you love? Huh? Bhatal. Is it a local dish? What is it? What is it? Is it dal chawal? What is it? Dal chawal, right? What will happen is, and sorry, give me your name again. Saurabh. Saurabh, what will happen is you'll get married eventually. You will get married eventually. I'm just telling you. So let's take it for example, you are 22 right now, you will be married by the age of 25. Okay. You get married to somebody who's either 25 or lesser, assuming that you don't have a life like mine. I got married to somebody who's 17 years younger. So teri wali to 5 saal ki abhi. Just letting you know, my wife is 17 years younger. She's sitting right there. She's blind also to get married to me. Like this one guy like, this one guy like, isko to ye marega. So what will happen is you get married at the age of 25 and the woman is either 25 or less or younger. One day she'll try to cook for you. Now your mother has been cooking for 25 years of your existence. She has had a 25-year head start. Your wife will cook that one meal that day. Probably dal chawal because she loves you. She'll put in all her heart and soul to cook that dal chawal. She'll give that dal chawal to you. Now what happens when your mother gives you dal chawal? What do you tell her when you love the food? What do you tell her? Huh? हाँ बहुत अच्छा बना है बहुत अच्छा बना है मुझे अच्छा लगा खाने में normal conversation हाँ tasty. Your wife will not have that kind of expertise, right? She'll still make it better, but it will not be spectacular level of your taste buds, right? So she'll give you food and she'll ask you how is it. You'll take a deep breath and you'll exhale. वो तेरी जिंदगी से लास्ट सांस होगी निकलते हुए. Now imagine that poor woman. She was just making all that process while she was making food. She was thinking कि इसको अच्छा लगेगा नहीं लगेगा. She was looking for the end result. Right? But that doesn't really matter. You should appreciate the effort. आप 3 घंटे जाके ना अपने किचन में आके खड़े हो जाओ 3 घंटे गर्मी में और फिर आके बाहर बोलो खाना कैसा था और फिर आपको बोले खाना बकवास था. मन करता है जूता निकाल के फेंक के मारे उसे. यार मत खा. तभी हमारे पास डायलॉग आते हैं जो तुम्हें खाना खुद ही बना लेना. ये फैक्ट है, जिंदगी फैक्ट है. वी डोंट रियलाइज इट वेरी अर्ली ऑन. वी रियलाइज दो, आई मीन आई स्टिल रिमेंबर वी यूज्ड टू गो टू ट्यूशन सेंटर्स टू रियलाइज कि सामने वाले का बच्चा कितना अच्छा पढ़ रहा है. मेरे को अकाउंटिंग की ट्यूशन लगवाई थी क्योंकि मेरे पड़ोसी के बच्चे की अकाउंटिंग की ट्यूशन लगी हुई थी. मैं लीव ऑन द साइड दैट आई वाज एनीवेज डफर इन अकाउंटिंग. बट वो ट्यूशन सेंटर में इसलिए क्योंकि उसका एग्जाम के रिजल्ट बहुत अच्छे आते थे. मैं वो स्टूडेंट भी अच्छा है. कुछ लोग ट्यूशन में जाके भी फेल हो जाते हैं. And if you're raised by a single mother like I was, you don't have the option of failing. Especially the tuition center वाले जो ट्यूटर है वो तो कभी अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकता है कि उसको पैसे दिए. तो मेरी मम्मी आपके आपके गिरेबान पकड़ लेगी. मेरा बच्चा फेल कैसे करा तूने? And no tuition center guy will tell you कि मेरा आपका बच्चा डफर है. मैं कितना मर्जी पढ़ा लूं होने वाला कुछ नहीं है. Now these chancellors and the deans and the teachers in this college will give you the best they have. Some of you will absorb it, some of you will just chuck it. That's a fact. It's not their fault. It is never going to be their fault. Some of you will make miracles out of this thing. I mean, I came here yesterday, I went to see my family members and one of my family members told me, Masi told me that तेरी जो cousin sister वो DIT University से. She felt proud of that fact. That's a fact, right? She felt amazingly proud. Then she looked at me, तू क्या करने जा रहा है वहाँ? The Masi gene kicked in, right? Because very competitive. We are very competitive. Every relationship is very competitive. How many people have relatives who are सांप के बच्चे? All of us have it, please. All of us. एक होगा. हमारी जिंदगी में प्रॉब्लम क्या है? हम अपने सुख से सुखी नहीं होते, हम दूसरे के सुख से दुखी होते हैं. That's the fact. हमारा प्रॉब्लम है कि मेरे पास जो गाड़ी है वो तो ठीक है, इसके पास क्यों है? That's what we figure out. I mean, I'll give you my personal example. I used to weigh at about 120 kilos, and I started working out last year March. I turned 43 about a week back, so I was 42 when I joined in. Have I tried losing weight in my life? Please. Every fat guy has tried losing weight at least 10 times in their life. 1st January, नवरात्रों के बाद, मंडे से तो पक्का, दिवाली की पार्टीज निकल जाए बस, सारी जिंदगी जुए और शराबे में खत्म कर दूं, उसके बाद तो शराब एकदम चालू है. But that never happens. I started on 18th of March. It is not a Monday. It is not Navratri. It is not a New Year resolution. It was nothing. It was not starting of a month. I was just tired. I was angry. And I wanted to go out. But every time a fat guy joins a gym, the first question they ask, irrespective of which caste, creed, age, sex, political orientation you have, you'll ask that one flat out question. मेरा weight कम कब होगा? And if I was a trainer, I will just slap you. कि जब तेरा मुंह बंद होगा, like चांटा, right? But no trainer will tell you. Again, the same tuition center का नहीं, आपका बेटा डफर है, वो बताएगा नहीं. I started working out every day, and every day I used to just do this. So I did all that. कि एक हफ्ते में एक ही बार weight लेंगे, वरना depression आ जाता है. I weigh myself after every meal now. Every time I gain like 2 ग्राम, हे भगवान, फिर कपड़े उतार दिए. नहीं और उसके बाद अब अच्छा कम हो गया, right? So I started weighing myself every day because I was not scared. I started taking that journey. And I took that journey every day, one step at a time. My problem is that what we're talking about is the certainty is of the effort you put in every single time. Every single time. I started doing that now. When I meet people, whenever I post a picture, I lost 37 kilos, people ask me invariably, diet plan क्या है, workout plan क्या है? And I tell them कि आलू के पराठे का रोज बैठ के. मैं इसको भी तो बता ले जब उसका 10 किलो वजन बढ़ जाएगा कि आलू के पराठे नहीं खाने थे. Because ground rule to losing weight is eat right, work out. That's it. That's the ground rule to it. And let me ask you this, like there are very fit people here, right? So, like for example, you, sir. What's your name, sir? Vikram, right? Oh, you're the army guy, right? You have to be fit. It is a lot of, is it discipline? Lot of it, right? Yeah. Do you go to a gym, sir? Do you work out? Do you have any physical activity? You work out, right? How long have you been working out? As long as you've known. This is what my point is. For a fat guy, there is a reason to go. We have either medical problems or physical image issues or self-image issues or low esteem or how we look. This guy doesn't have it. To get up every day, to be Vikram, to go to a gym, knowing that you have great genetics, you have worked out all your life, you have had a regimented, disciplined plan while you had a job with Army. Are you still with Active Army, sir? You retired last year. Thank you for your services. Because of you, when you do whatever you do at the border is what enables us to do whatever we do here. That's a fact. So it's a very thankless job, I have to say. It is a very thankless job what every armed professional has to go through. One of the few incidents that we get to see, we like, sare aise. To be regimented, like there is another speaker called Sonam Chawda here today. You should look at that woman. She looks like a model, right? But she works out every day. Or she eats proper, or she eats healthy. It takes a lot of regimen, a lot of discipline for a fit person to be there. They don't look at what is going to come next. They do it because it is a habit. They do it because out of sheer willness. I had to do it because मेरे को diabetes थी, cholesterol था, मेरे डॉक्टर ने बोला अगर वेट कम नहीं होगा तो भगवान ही उठाएगा तेरे को तो अब. उसने बोला एक ही तरीका वेट कम करने का, या तो बेटा आप सो जाओगे या फिर उठोगे नहीं, या फिर आप वेट कम करना शुरू कर दो. And I had to start doing it. I had to start doing it. How many people have at least joined a gym at least once in their life? See? We all have. How many people have continued with the gym part ever since? 1. 2. See, fit people, that's what my problem is. Fit people don't look at the end result. They don't look at the end result because they don't want to. They say, boss, this is my habit, this is how I'm going to do. How many people are vegetarians here? Raise your hand. Nobody forces you to be a vegetarian. It's a choice, right? How many people are meat eaters? Again, a matter of choice. But all I'm trying to bring out is that every time I do it, I enjoy the journey now. There are times my videos, since I do stand-up comedy, my videos don't do well. I want to go back and realize कि मेरा शायद content ठीक नहीं था. It is very easy to blame कि अरे यार ये तो Friday शाम को release किया था, IPL आ रहा है, या कुछ गलत जा रहा है. You know, it's very easy to blame other things. And it was very easy for me to do it. I kept doing it for the longest time in my life. I used to try to have that sorry figure कि यार I lost my father when I was 4, so I had no opportunities. There are people who don't have any parent. They still do well in life. So what comes next, I don't know. And none of you will ever know. You will hope and pray it works out for you. You will hope and pray that this is what my end result will be. How many of you have joined some educational or professional career-oriented course, or at least looked at it knowing that it will lead you somewhere nice in terms of money and stability? How many of you? Yeah, it'll happen. How many of you will get it? Raise your hand. Very sure of it? Yeah, exactly, none. You can only hope and pray, right? You can't be very sure of it. You can be sure of the journey. It is again with the same relationship. How many of you are dating? Is there anybody who has a girlfriend or a boyfriend? You're the only person who has raised an hand because like मैं university से नहीं हूँ. मेरे को निकाल नहीं देंगे यहाँ से. You hope and pray relationship will work. You hope and pray. But no relationship will work unless you want to put it the right effort, especially a couple relationship. चाहे वो शादी है, चाहे वो dating है, because any other relationship you have, be it parents, be it siblings, be it friends, be it relatives, can be a one-sided relationship. When it comes to couple relationship, it has to work in tandem, right? Both wheels have to work. You have to make sure that every day you get a way to make it work. It's a journey. At the end of the day, you're like this lucky gentleman who doesn't eat out because his wife cooks really, really well, and he's been married for 37 years. But I got married about 13, 14 years ago. I got divorced 12 years ago. And then I realized I was not the right person. It is very easy to blame the other person, right? And everybody like, मैंने बोला था, divorce हो जाता क्योंकि शादी करी थी तूने. मैं कहा, great insight. मैं divorce उन्हीं का होता है जिनकी शादी होती है. Single आदमी का divorce होता नहीं है. And that is what. So every time somebody tells me, aren't you scared? I'm very scared. I'm very scared of getting married again. I'm very scared of going to gym again. Do I like the process? No, I don't. I'm not as self-inspired as Vikram is probably. I would never be. Do I want to be like him? Hell yes. I want to be like पूरे shirt tuck in करके ये crumble वाला hair ना आए. I want to do all of that, but I will not put in the effort, right? And I want to put in that effort because now I have to see it. I have to see it through. So every time you look up, there'll be somebody who's ahead of you. So that is a good part. Get inspired. Don't be a jealous jal kokdi. Because it is very easy to be jealous. Uski paas kyun hai ye? And every time there'll be somebody behind you. And every time you look down, it should help you that whatever you have is to be thankful for, not thankless about. That you should not pity them. Be nice human being. Be nice person. Be a nice person in terms of if you've been fortunate enough to be given things in life which are more than what you need, help others. The process has to help you. Every time I look, people ask me, तो आपको कब पता चला आप कॉमेडियन बनना चाहते थे? मैं शेरा वाली माता ही मेरे सपने में एक दिन. उन्होंने धुड़ुंक, बेटा तुम बन सकते हो. मैं कि मुझे नहीं पता. I don't know, I was a funny guy probably. But at some point I kept working at it. Like I went in with 1 minute of jokes and it worked. And then I went in with 2 minutes of jokes. And obviously I thanked Sherawali Mata because I believe in God, right? मैं रोज हनुमान चालीसा पढ़ता हूँ, मैं रोज संकट मोचन हनुमान अष्टक पढ़ता हूँ, मैं रोज माला पढ़ता हूँ because I believe in God. But that had nothing to do with it. I mean, there are times when you just open and hey, भगवान हो जाए. How many times have each student done कि भगवान ये वाला एग्जाम हो जाए, अगले साल से पक्का पढ़ाई. Exactly. Each one of us has done that. But जब तक भगवान के पास जाते हैं, भगवान कह रहा है यार तेरा माँ बाप कुछ नहीं कर पाए, मैं क्या करूँगा? It's a fact. I wish we were God for one day to realize how insignificant request we get. And if we had the ability to slap people on the request they give us, ये वाला जूता साफ हो जाए, मम्मी मारेंगी. You know, we ask God to intervene anywhere and everywhere. I'm very scared of the fact that what will happen if my comedy thing doesn't work? What will happen if my wife is not in love with me anymore? What will happen if my mother passes away at some point? Those are the things that scare me. Those are the uncertain things that I'm not very certain about. What I'm certain about is that I can love them and tell them how much I love them as long as I'm there and as long as they are there, and give the best effort that I can to whatever I love, which is comedy, which is going on stage, which is probably making people laugh. And that's what I can be very, very certain about. Would it work? I don't know. Nobody knows. One virus, again, as I said, it took for the whole world to realize, yeah, nahi, handshake ke bina bhi kaam kar sakte hain. It is okay to not meet people that often. क्या मेरी 6 मासियां हैं, मुझे पता ही नहीं था, 5 से बात करता था मैं आज तक. You know, you discover your relatives, you discover कि वो अरे ये अभी भी सांप ही हैं, चाहे वीडियो कॉल पे मिले या चाहे हम पर्सनली नहीं मिले. You know, but one virus it took for you to realize that there are things which are. How many people have missed going to a mall? How many people have missed eating? One guy, please. You're miserable. You need a hobby. Achha, let me ask you, what did you miss going to the mall about? What did you miss about it? Shopping? What was the last thing you shopped when you had gone to the mall? Shirt. Baba, let me give you a tuition about shopping at some point. Shopping is not shirt. Shirt is necessity. Which is like, if there were no people around. How many people have done online shopping in last 7-8 months? I have. I bought a pair of shoes or a shirt or a belt. How many people have missed eating out, going to a restaurant? Maybe 1 or 2 of you, yeah. How many people have realized that their parents needed them? How many people have realized that grandparents miss them? How many of you realized that it was very easy to point a finger at stating, यार सारा दिन घर पे बैठे थे क्या किट-किट करते रहते हैं? I love how many people have people who were staying at home already 24 hours a day? Grandparents या parents, किस-किस के घर पे थे, हमेशा रहते थे? Exactly, most of you, right? Yeah. So when COVID happened, people said we'll do lockdown. Those people sitting at your home, hold my beer. I was ready for it. I was getting prepped for it. So go ahead, make the journey happen. Love the journey that you have. End result may vary. It is like mutual funds or shares. You know, you will invest and hope and pray it works, or any relationship, any professional अरीना कि मैं ये वाला काम क्यों करूं, मेरा प्रमोशन तो होता नहीं है, मेरा सांप जैसा बॉस है, हमेशा मेरा प्रमोशन हटा देता है. Love the journey that you have. Focus on it, love the journey, and keep doing it every day. That's the consistency part. Vikram has been doing for a long time. Your sir has been married for 37 years. Have you had downs in your life when you had 37 years? Obviously you had downs in your life, right? Have you had arguments with your wife? Yes, you did, right? If you start quitting every time you go down, I can guarantee one thing. What comes next? Zero, nothing. And that certain part is very good with uncertainty. You will never be certain about anything that you don't put an effort to. Thank you so much for the opportunity for me being here. God bless you. Have a great evening. And keep each other safe, keep home, and keep smiling. Thank you so much. That was my time.